Use molds in ceramics. Pottery making is a fun craft to do. Many enthusiasts can spend hours working with clay materials to come up with different designs. If you like working with ceramics, then you will need to have some molds so be able to come up with a final product. Molds used in ceramic making are made of materials that allow for the moisture to be drawn out of the product. This allows the item to solidify. Here's how to use molds in ceramics. Purchase your molds. If you want to work with ceramics, then you need to have some molds at hand. If you're serious with the craft, you may want to invest in molds that you can purchase from specialty stores online. You can also find molds from arts and crafts stores. Also, you will be able to buy molds from pottery supply stores. If you wish, you can go around your home and find existing things you can use as the mold instead. Molds used for ceramics can be made of plaster, rubber, or even ceramic. If you are firing the mold, then do not use a rubber mold. Determine what you are making. So you know which mold to use, you first need to identify what it is you want to make. What is the final product you want? If you are giving the ceramic to someone else, think about what the other person would like to have. Prepare the mold you are using. Based on your concept, select the mold you want to use. Check that the mold you are using is clean. There should be no particles or dirt on the mold. Make the ceramic item as needed. Follow the instructions to prepare the slip. This is what you will be placing in the mold. When you have the right size and you have prepared it in the right consistency, bring out the mold. Fasten the mold. Get the two sides of the mold and fasten it together using a rubber band. Rubber molds used for ceramics must be used closed. Carefully pour in the slip until you have the desired thickness. In most cases, the item should be as thick as a coin. Let it set. Once the slip is in the mold, the moisture will be drawn out of the material to make it solidify. This will take at least 15 minutes. When the piece is hard enough, turn the mold over so that it is upside down. The excess slip will be removed. Let it solidify more. After another 15 minutes, put it back right side up and allow to dry more. Remove the mold. The drying process will take about an hour. When it is ready, pry off the mold. Set aside the ceramic item and allow it to dry completely. It takes some time to perfect the art of ceramic making. However, once you get it done, You can make various items, such as plates, a teapot, cups, or even figurines you can use to display around your home or give away as presents.